there! Yeah, he's up!
What makes them shout? Stick around to find out. You're watching Top Ring Videos. I'm Crystal Cruz. Let's play Snake Fakes.
Which fact is fake? Snakes shed their skin, hypnotize prey, fart, or lay eggs?
Make no mistake, they cannot hypnotize. But this one did put a spell on Randy.
I don't use the front door anymore.
Slithering out of Texas
There's a bobcat. I want to come in.
and into Arizona. Taylor was riding her bike. That's when she saw a bobcat, got separated from her mom,
It kind of looks like a fox.
and rode to the neighbor's house for help.
I think my mom's at home and I saw it.
No, you stay right there. We're going to be home in 1 minute, sweetie. You stay right there.
I was very proud of her. She was a very brave little girl.
Hey, you, dogs are fun. How many do you see? 3, 2, 1.
The correct answer? 7. Now close your eyes and open your ears. What do you hear? If you guessed a military homecoming, then you've seen this video before.
You could imagine the look on her face just from hearing her scream.
And now it's time for the Floodlight Cam foot race.
On the left, stranger 1 in Trayton's apartment. On the right, stranger 2 at Dan's business. Who runs away faster from places they don't belong? Sound the siren!
And I've never seen a human being run that fast in my life.
And back to what made Chad shout?
I'm very terrified of snakes, so when I first saw it, I thought it was huge. But it was really about 4 to 5 feet long.
Any close encounters at your door? Share them with us at stories@ring.com.